Hello friends. One of the subscriber he asked me how to do for stop loss order. Okay, this is the application which we are doing, which we are keeping for UAE. Okay, this is a stockbroker application. I am keeping for international security broker. Suppose if you are keeping for some other broker, you can comment below. Suppose if you have. Okay, so his query related to this one: how to do for stop loss order. Okay, this is what that, and earlier also few of them commented related to this one, how to do stop loss order in UAE market. So this video specially focus for this one. So whether it is available or not, if it is available, how we can do it, these kind of things only we are going to look in this video for in a practical way with the help of one example. Okay, I have selected one stop. So let's see. Because in India it's available, there should be an option for intraday and everything else for stop loss order, but from here such kind of option is not available. See, for example, just you can select one stock over here. At any stock you can select it. Simply I'm selecting for ADCB. Okay, and I'm making for purchase order. Okay, you can select for buy order, or else if you're selecting for sell order. Okay, suppose if I'm holding respective stock, we can do for sell order. Okay, I'm not holding it, so I'm making for buy order. Quantity just you can put it for 50 like that. And what is the price? Currently it is trading for the price for 11.10. So mention it 11.10 like that. For example, I'm showing. Okay, an order type, if you're looking in a sense, there should be two order is available: limit order as well as market order. Okay, there is no stop loss order is available over here. So limit order, in a sense, you need to fix the price. If the price comes for the respective price, in a sense, automatically the respective order will be executed. And market price, in a sense, what actually trading for the respective market, that respective price, automatically it will execute. That is a difference between these two. So the answer is there is no stop loss order available over here. Okay, and day and all, validity date I already explained, and separate video I already posted. You can go and check it over there. Okay, once you are selecting for limit or market, and after that you can click a trade, it will be executed. So this is what the option is available in UAE. So I think I answered your query. Now you got it right. Okay, thank you friends, thank you for watching this. Suppose if you're looking for stock market related insights, you can follow and subscribe this channel to get for all updates. Okay, bye.